Okay, so here first I want to say you that vase, swing, and start. These are the topology. Every topology is used. Depends on where it is used. We are using the topology. Suppose consider topology means what? Just what is the scenario behind it? First, you need.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Who is this?
Ma'am, today I have updated the app, but I can't see anything.
With the app, you can't see anything means I am not understanding. But just can you be little according to that? We are just configuring our network. Now, suppose in a school, in your lab, there are 10 computers I have seen. In the lab, you have seen that those 10 computers is having the network access. So that time bus technology is very good because every computer is connected with the network. It's fine. But sometimes what is happening? Sometimes in the other scenarios, string topology is
Ma'am,
also
I can't hear. Ma'am, I can't hear your voice properly.
in some scenarios also ring topology is also getting used. Okay. Now here again one thing is coming star topology. Okay, star topology there is one thing, one whole nodes called hub. Okay, that is also the host nodes. Host means that is actually main part of the entire topology, and there are some advantages and disadvantages of all those topology. Topology means network, how the network is getting configured, means internet is providing to us by some other what can I say, by some other ISPs. So that is coming to us, how they are configured it to us. That is actually the main thing in the network topology. Network topology is a way by which I'm just reading out the book, which a network is set up or interconnected between the workstation in a group. Many architectures have been used or developed. First is bus topology. A single master cable carries all traffic. Communication travels in both the directions along the line and can be received by any workstation. All the computers can communicate with each other without having go to through the server. Means here is my main line. Okay, from here one line is connected and all the computers are connected from that line. Advantage, any one computer or device being down does not affect the other. Suppose this machine is not working, so this will not affect the in other computers. In the other computers it will work fine. Easy to install and economical, consumes a short length of cable. Why it is telling that short length of cable? Because in your lab, in the specified area, they can connect 10 computers. If they can configure 20 computers also, it will be 20 configure computer can be configured. No more extra cables is required over there. Now coming to the disadvantages, the single bad computer in the network can cause the break jam of the network. That means if any computer is wrong, virus affect. Break jam means I should say means data sharing will be paused for a while. Maybe that is virus affected. For that also it can happen. Okay, many reasons it can be. It cannot connect a large number of computers this way. It's physically difficult to run the one communication line over the whole building. Now, if your many big schools are having 2-3 labs, computer labs. Now, for that, it will not that much convenient. You are having only one lab, it's okay, but if you are having more than 2-3 labs or something like that, it's not that much convenient. Okay, Fault detection is not easy. Obviously, it's not easy because which machine, especially when it is not down properly, if the system is totally not working, it's fine. We can easily understand, yes, this is the system. We can just point out very easily.
Ma'am,
Suppose
page
the,
number.
yes,
Page number.
page number 38.
Okay.
Now if the system is like that is not sending the data properly, plus it is coming going like this way, it is happening, that time it is actually, we can say that we can say like that that fault
Ma'am,
detection is
computer.
not easy. Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
computer. Yes, computer.
okay, ma'am.
Next, coming to ring topology, the ring pattern connects a computer and other devices to one another in a circle. There is no central host computer that holds all the data. Communication flow around in one direction in that ring. Now, the thing is, if this system is not working, since this is one direction, data will not go from one node to another. Okay, this is the main disadvantages. That is why this is not used much nowadays. Next, coming to star topology. Star topology, here you can see that one host is there, means this is the main hub or host. From there, all the computers are connected. Okay, mostly in generally whatever in networking is set up, which if you are having broadband, that you can see it very easily. These all are actually star topology they are using. That hub is actually known as the server, and rest of the these are our device, that is we have connected over here. Give close control of data. Each PC sees all the data. No disruption to the network when connecting to or removing device. Obviously, I can just add multiple device in one line. Easy to detect fault and remove parts. Disadvantage: if server computer or the software goes down, the whole network is down. Many a times we have seen, if it is Jio's network, Jio is very means what can I say, very good at, we should say, um, in the maintenance. Okay, they are cross checking their every services after a little while. If anything is wrong, they have just rerouting their I should say entire system. Okay, data transfer and capability depends on the capacity of the server. Data transfer and capability depends on the capacity of the server. A large length of cable is required. Next is type of network. LAN. LAN means local area network. Most of the companies using LAN. Metropolitan means bigger man or and smaller man is there. Bigger man means, suppose from my server in Bagnan area there is some few ISP, internet service provider, and in my area also there are few service internet service area. So these are providing not to me only the networks, this is providing many other persons also. Suppose consider Bagnan, there are many other residents also, they are also using the internet, they have provided the internet to all of them. Okay, so it's that is why it is called metropolitan area network. Okay, depending on the sites, the LAN, MAN, and next is WAN, the wide area network, that is actually categorized. Okay, communication allows effectively carry out its daily function regardless of location. Now here everything I have almost covered before network security. Since this is a substitution Just wait. Up to this today I will do.